Hello everyone, welcome back, and we are back again with the drawing series, and I'm in love with this one because we are making so many different things now and these are all amazing. So for the first one here we are drawing a crab, and I think he is quite happy with something, so you can actually get it by his expressions. So once I'll say 1 2 3 and your colors will appear as always, as usually I think, and so you can draw actually small hearts around him and done. So 1 2 3 and done. That was easy. Okay, now moving forward we are making a deer here. This is the second time I'm having this thing, and okay, so this time we're just okay, so you can draw stars and hearts or whatever you want around him and done. So it's like a night scene where your deer is roaming around, and yeah, it's his choice. I think his mother never tells him don't be late for too long. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is, at first I thought it's your moon, but it is not. You think it's a boat, yeah. Is it? It is. It is. It's not. How confused I am. Okay, so it's not your boat or it is your boat. Well, we'll just fill the colors. It was a boat, yeah. Damn it. Sorry. Okay. Now moving forward, we are making a moon here, and I am already falling in love with the eyes, but okay. So all you have to do is just draw it the way we are drawing it here, and I think there's a mushroom house on top of your sun. Now that's ironical, but okay. If you want, you can do anything, yeah. That's your imagination, that's your colors. Okay. Now moving forward, we are making your elephant uncle. Okay, these are very cute animals, yeah, trust me, because they don't really care about anything. They are just like in their own lives. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, it looks like Earth, and it is Earth. Yeah, it is. It's our mother home planet Earth, and we are making buildings here. Okay, as we have already made Earth a lot of. Oh, so your rocket is going on. So it's basically like a normal typical day. Okay, so it's totally different once we draw the UFO here. It's not a normal day. Okay. Moving forward, we are making here is okay, it is your bunny only, and we are making it with a different design, and I really love those eyes. So okay, now for his clothes, of course he's wearing clothes, yeah, so you can actually make them with the help of your mandala art, or else you can just fill the colors in them. Totally depends on you. And while I'll say 1 2 3, your bunny will be having colors. So done. So the next thing we are drawing here is your cactus, and you can fill it with your favorite mandala design, and there are a lot of them, so you can just choose your desired pen and then start filling them with the help of your pen only. And this is like a cactus house. You can go inside and reside in them, and your colors are there. Now if you are out of your paper or your colors, go and take them while we are here waiting for you. Thank you for watching, guys.